Gate Opener Installation and Repair Company in Richmond, Virginia, 23220. Virginia Gate specializes in the installation and repair of gate openers. Our team of techs strive for customer satisfaction. We have same-day repair and after-hours emergency service available. Servicing gate openers in Richmond, Virginia, 23220 and surrounding areas. Your best choice for gate opener repair in Richmond, Virginia. If you are looking for gate opener repair, gate opener installation, or access systems repair or installation, then Virginia Gate is a company that you can trust. Our services, centered in the Central Virginia area, are customized to fit your needs whether residential or commercial, and our friendly sales and service department are ready to assist you develop an affordable and high-quality solution that will help keep your property secure and aesthetically pleasing. We take great pride in providing quality work, and since every gate opener installation is different and comes with its own unique set of potential problems and gate opener repair needs, you need a company that has the experience and the know-how to deal with a wide variety of systems and setups. Virginia Gate service all major brands. Gate opener, parking barriers, crash barriers, telephone entry systems, intercom entry systems, remote access systems, pedestrian gates, turnstiles, access control. Virginia Gate does it all. Our highly skilled and qualified technicians will make sure that your job is done right and that your automatic gate is back up and running properly in no time, whether it's a slide gate or a swing gate or a parking/barrier gate opener repair. Plus, we service all major brands including High Security, Chamberlain Elite, Door King, FAAC, Viking, Linear, Centex, and more. Furthermore, if you're in need of car remote control or any programming, we've got you covered there too. So, call us today, and let's get started. Help for your automated gate opener system is only a phone call away. Virginia Gate, Virginia's best team for automatic gate opener repair.